Hello, third graders. Today I wanted to give you a quick reminder video on how to get to your Google Drawings. First, you need to make sure that your Google Chrome web browser is open. Remember, your Google Chrome icon looks like this one down here. Once you're in your Google Chrome, since you're already on your Chromebooks, you should be signed in. I want you to go up to the top right up here where you can see your 9 dots, or as you know, I like to call the Google waffle. Click on your waffle, and I want you to go into Drive. Once you're in your Drive, I want you to click New. If you look on there, you see Google Docs, Google Sheets, and Google Slides, but not Google Drawings. What I want you to do is hover over More, and from there you can see Google Drawings. Click on that. A new tab should open, and it should open to your untitled drawing page. From here, you can start your project, and just remember that anything with Google, it saves as you work. Good luck on your project. I can't wait to see it when it's done.